we are now awarding the winner of the Fandom of the Year award through our People Choice votings. This award is given to the fandom who garnered the highest public votes during the voting period for the Your Loop Year-End List Awards 2025. The Fandom of the Year award honors the passionate and dedicated fan community that has gone above and beyond to support their favorite P-pop artists. And the nominees are garnering an average vote of 58.64%. Congratulations to 18 for winning the P-pop Fandom of the Year.